Hello, this is Richard Collins, your instructor in ATM101, Weather and Climate of Alaska. Welcome to Unit 5. In this unit we are studying air pressure. We're going to study air pressure in two ways. There's the reading from the textbook and there's also the investigation. In the investigation you will examine how air pressure can implode a pop can, and you will follow that up with analysis of laboratory experiments that were conducted in the class laboratory in Fairbanks. While this unit focuses on weather and meteorology, the unit also raises some fundamentals of the scientific method. It does a nice job of bringing together a scientific law and a scientific theory and thinking about how these work together in scientific descriptions of nature. The ideal gas law, like all physical laws, explains observed behavior. It's a mathematical statement of what we observe in nature. It doesn't actually tell us what gases are at a microscopic level. It gives us a macroscopic relationship between state variables that describe the behavior of gases as we experience them around us. The kinetic theory of gases is a theory that gases are little small particles. You don't have to see the little small particles. It just says they're there, and the theory and the behavior of the kinetic gas is consistent with the observed behavior through the ideal gas law. If you could take the kinetic theory and predict something counter to the ideal gas law, then the theory would have to be rejected as counter to nature and an incomplete understanding of the nature of gases. So far, the kinetic theory has done a wonderful job of holding the test of time as the way that we describe gases as tiny little molecules and atoms bounce around and become speedier as they become warmer. The reading for this week draws on Chapter 5 of Weather Studies, looking at air pressure, and again on Chapter 5 of the Climate of Alaska, where we put questions of pressure and wind in an Alaskan perspective. In the lecture screencast for this unit, I highlight the key themes of the unit. You should watch the screencast before jumping into the reading, and again, you should watch the screencast before you jump into the quiz, as the screencast serves to highlight the points that I think are important. Finally, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Cameron or I. Thank you and good luck.